mean, it's all the same length. Nobody ever cuts it the same length that we pulled back.
No?
That'd be ridiculous.
Would it? Okay. I don't know about these tricks. Well, those kids are having fun with the water and the ice.
The ice is gone.
Oh, really?
What happened to it?
It melted.
Did you eat it all up, crunch, crunch?
Well, I ate some, and it melted the rest.
Did you guys put hot water in there to melt the ice?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Was that neat?
Yeah.
Are you glad I got 4 buckets of ice in there?
I wondered what happened to you. You waited and waited, and you never came back.
Well, see, the court.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, sure.
Excuse me again, sir.
That's okay.
Are these horses
Right in your way here.
have chains or something?
Yeah, they're all broken, Claire. They're not wild.
They're a little broken? What does that mean?
That means they're trained.
They're trained. Can you face that? Can you face that to there?
Yeah, I sure
That
can.
horse. That horse. I want to girl. That's a girl. That's a girl. I think I should name her Lisa.
Lisa?
Not Bonnie.
So, we back home?
Yep. And look at our key.
You glad to be back home?
Yeah. Oh no, there's a dog.
Claire, I found your glasses.
Oh good.
You want me to rip up those pants, Andrew?
This is a squirmy little worm. Dad,
Yeah.
can you look my pants?
Yeah.
You're already ripped the room.
Okay, I'll go do that. Welcome home. My. You know what time it is, Andrew? I think it's 7:40. 7:40 in the morning. You sleepy?
Dad, was yesterday a school day?
No, church school day.
Oh.
Today is a school day. Okay. Really? What was it about? You don't want to tell me? Your dad? It's 7:42. You know, we're going to be late today. These could be the last days of Daddy days.
Why? Why, Dad?
Well, soon school will be over, that's what I mean.
Well, why did you say the last days of Daddy days?
Because when you're out of school, Mommy will wake you up in the morning. So I meant the last days of Daddy waking you up in the morning. See?
Why is Mommy don't wake us up in the morning?
Because Mom won't be working in the summer.
Will you?
Yeah. So I'll go to work. Mom will stay here and wake you guys up. Okay?
Ever have to go to school again?
Of course. I'm going to have to wake up Claire, Anders.
Okay, Dad.
Well, who's here? Who's this? Claire? Let's look at you. I don't usually wake you up this way, do I? Usually I'm better and nicer, aren't I? Sorry. I'll be better and nicer now. Okay, Claire.
All of these books.
It's a lot of books. Let's put on your patch, okay? And we'll just put it on for a little while.
Yeah. What's
Yeah.
10 plus 20?
10 plus 20?
Yeah.
What do you think?
30?
Yeah. Good job, Andrew. 10 plus 20 is 30.
And I want 50 plus. Dad,
Yeah?
I know what 50 plus. I know what 50 plus.
Plus what?
40 is.
50 plus 40?
Yeah,
What's 50 plus 40, Andrew?
90.
Yeah. How'd you know that?
Because I counted it on my fingers. Because I did 4, then I did a 5, and then.
You were counting by tens, weren't you? What do you think of that, Claire?
I knew that.
You knew that? You
Yeah,
think that's
can I-
pretty good of Andrew to know that?
Yeah, can I look? Can I look at that?
Yeah, just a minute.
Okay.
Hi, Claire.
I am reading that.
You reading the words?
Yeah. I think you break one of the apple.
The Happy Apple Cups?
Yeah.
Well, see, he was looking at me mean, and then he grabbed a knife, and he was going whack, whack. So I went boom, and knocked him out, and he went shatter, boom.
How is it true?
It was an accident. See, I had a bunch of glasses in here, and 2 apple glasses were together, and I shut it, and they broke, because I shut it too quickly. It was my mistake, Andrew.
No, Dad.
No?
Once you dropped one.
And I dropped one, probably. I've broken more than one. I think I've broken 3.
Yes.
Because I broke 2 in the dishwasher at one time.
I don't know that. I once had a bruise on my leg, but it's all gone. Right up here.
You had a bruise right there and it's all gone?
Yeah.
Claire, you're not eating a lot of waffle, I see.
One.
Well, maybe you should eat 1 or 2, and maybe 3. What do you think, Andrew? Do you want some more waffle, Andrew?
No, thank you.
Okay. It's waffle time again, guys. Claire, do you want an egg? Now, what would you like with your sandwich?
Yes, yes.
You do? Goody.
I'm trying to think what it is. An egg. You can't have a boil egg.
Hi, Anders. Do you want some more waffle?
What it
And he said no. I wonder what else Claire would like in her sandwich. For her lunch, rather. What do you think, Claire?
Jelly.
Jelly sandwich?
I said peanut butter and jelly.
Oh, peanut butter and jelly.
No,
Oh.
actually the peanut butter.
Okay. Do you want some chips?
Chips. No.
Okay. Pretzels.
No. I want pretzels.
You want pretzels for lunch,
No,
Andrew?
Daddy, no.
These are pretzel sticks for Andrew. You want some cheese too, Claire?
Are they just
I'll give you some more cheese
pretzel
and apple.
sticks? Are they pretzel sticks?
Yep.
Dad. You know what? These were what I was talking about. I was smoking these pretzel sticks.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
Claire!
Yeah.
Come here. It's a double egg. I don't believe it. Andrew, come here. We got a double egg. These are pretty rare. In fact, I don't think I've ever cooked a double egg for Claire. See? It's got two yolks. It's like twins.
Cool. Another one.
It's a special day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Claire, do you want two?
Yeah, two yolks for Claire. She likes that, doesn't she?
Can I have one?
You want some egg?
Yeah.
I could probably make you some egg.
How did you make the yolk?
Oh, I didn't.
He cracked the egg, and then the two of them came in, right?
Mm-hmm. It just was like that. It's like twins. Okay?
I get another egg exactly like that.
Hi, Claire. You enjoying that?
Yeah.
It's your special egg.
My delicious egg.
Your delicious special egg. And Andrew's special delicious egg is about ready now. Oh, Andrew, are you trying to do me?
Can I look at you?
Hi.
But I did
Can you
it.
see? Look through the look through the eyepiece, Andrew.
Okay.
Can you guys see me?
Yeah. Dad, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, cooking breakfast.
I want to do it. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, Andrew, let Claire return too, okay? No, Andrew, you're pushing it around.
Ow! Oof. I'm letting Claire get it. I can't get up.
Maybe you should move a chair there.
And Claire, no.
Andrew, don't touch it.
Claire, I got it straight down so you can look.
Okay?
I want it up like this. How?
Claire, how you doing?
Good and nice. Hey, I can't see your head.
I know. You want your egg, Andrew? Okay.
Andrew, don't act silly. Tell me what you said. Andrew, do you want to play with this or do you want to go swimming?
Or swimming, but then I'm gonna play with that.
Where are you going swimming?
YMCA.
Okay, you're acting too silly for me.
Andrew, you need to get your swimming pants on too.
Where are my swimming pants? One of those girls who went to know what I saw.
No. Maybe you better eat up your ice cream.
Well, I saw a Bible
Mm-hmm.
with
Mm-hmm.
a handle.
Hands?
A handle.
Oh. So you could carry the Bible like this?
Mm-hmm.
Was it a really big Bible?
Mm-hmm. It was small.
Is it a small Bible with a handle?
Blue handle.
Yeah. Claire, your ice cream is melting.
I'll get her.
Okay.
Don't trip over the cord.
Claire.
This doesn't have a fade either, but neither does the one you're looking at.
It doesn't have a fade.
The 25, right? Was it 25?
I forget the number. It might be a Super 8 instead of an 8 though.
She's
You
coming.
mean high 8?
Oh.